Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss about the topic types of averages. First, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is categorized into two, that is, simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. Second, median. Third, mode. Fourth, geometric mean. Fifth, harmonic mean. Let us discuss all these in detail. Arithmetic mean. The most popular and widely used measure of representing the entire data by one value and what the statisticians call the arithmetic mean. Its value is obtained by adding together all the items and by dividing this total by the number of items. Arithmetic mean may either be simple arithmetic mean or weighted arithmetic mean. Simple arithmetic mean. The process of computing mean in case of individual observations, that is, where frequencies are not given, is very simple. Add together the various values of the variables and divide the total by the number of items. X bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn by n. X bar is equal to summation x by n. Here x bar means arithmetic mean. Summation x means sum of all the values of the variables, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn. N means number of observations. Merits of simple arithmetic mean. It is simplest average to understand and easiest to compute. It is affected by the value of every items in the series. It is defined by a rigid mathematical formula with the result everyone who computes the average gets the same answer. It is relatively reliable in the sense that it does not vary too much when repeated samples are taken from one and the same population, at least not as much as some other kind of statistical descriptions. It is a calculated value and based on position in the series. Limitations of arithmetic mean. In a distribution with open-ended classes, the value of mean cannot be computed without making assumptions regarding size of the class interval of the open-ended class. The arithmetic mean is not always a good measure of central tendency. Weighted arithmetic mean. One of the limitations of arithmetic mean is that it gives equal importance to all the items. But there are cases where the relative importance of different items is not the same. When this is so, we compute weighted arithmetic mean. The term weight stands for the relative importance of the different items. The formula for computing weighted arithmetic mean is summation wx by summation w. Median. The median by definition refers to the middle value in a distribution. In case of median, one half of the items in the distribution have a value of the size of the median value or smaller, and one half have a value the size of the median value or larger. Mode. The mode or the model value is that value in a series of observations which occurs with the greatest frequency. For example, the mode of the series 3, 5, 8, 5, 4, 5, 9, 3 would be 5. Since this value occurs more frequently than any of the others. The mode is often said to be that value which occurs most often in the data, that is, with the highest frequency. Mode is shown with the help of the diagram below. The value of the variable at which the curve reaches a maximum is called the mode. Geometric mean. Geometric mean is defined as a nth root of the product of n items or values. If there are 2 items, we take the square root. If there are 3 items, the cube root, and so on. Symbolically, it can be expressed as geometric mean is equal to nth root of x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 till xn, where x1, x2, x3, etc. refer to the various items of the series. Thus, the geometric mean of 3 values 2, 3, 4 would be geometric mean is equal to cube root of 2 into 3 into 4, that is equal to cube root of 24, that is equal to 2.885. Harmonic mean. The harmonic mean is based on the reciprocals of numbers averaged. It is defined as a reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the individual observations. Harmonic mean is equal to n by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3 till 1 by xn. Relationship among the averages. In any distribution, when the original items differ in size, the value of arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean also differs and will be in the following order. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean and geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. The equality signs hold only if all the numbers x1, x2, x3 till xn are identical.